Somebody peace and Vasile. Welcome to Two Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Today is Mpumelelo Mseleku's special day. He's turning 22 years old. His father took to his Instagram account, posting his picture and write this message for him. Happy birthday, Mpumelelo Mseleku. Sithembe kuwe, raise and shine, young man. Father, Son, in you, we haven't had a great day. Have a great day. Also, his baby mama take him to wish him a happy birthday, guys. They are still together. Wow, guys, this is a beautiful day. After what happened, we all know what happened. So me being me, I decided to check Queen Lelo's age. So Queen Lelo's age, she's 29 years old. Mpumelelo is 22 years old. So they're both in their 20s. So I thought King Lilo was older than, maybe he was same age as those one of Mseleku's wife, Makumal. I think I was totally wrong, guys. So yes, Mpumelelo is still young, but the gap is 6 years or 7 years, something like that. Anyway, you guys do the math, and I'm not gonna math. Anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think, guys? Anyway, do not forget to subscribe, to like.